Today I will explain you application of integrals. See here, this is application of integrals. We know what is integration. We have seen how to integrate. Now I will start area under simple curves. If you want to calculate area bounded by the curve, how can we calculate? By using integral. Consider any function y is equal to fx. This is the curve showing function x, that is y is equal to function x. This curve, this area is bounded by curve y is equal to function x, line x is equal to a, line x is equal to b. This is ordinate x is equal to a, here is ordinate x is equal to b. We want to calculate area covered by graph, the two lines here, and x-axis means area of PQRSP. We want to calculate this area. Consider here is, this is y. Here this y is known as an arbitrary strip of height y. This is an arbitrary strip of height y. Its width is dx. Then area of this strip will be y dx. Its area will be here y dx. Then area of that part, that is small area, is dA is equal to y dx. We want to integrate that whole area PQRSA. Area of this whole part is given by PQRSA, that is integration a to b dA is equal to integration a to b. dA means y dx, y means that is function x, that is area of PQRSP is equal to integration a to b function x dx. Here we are having limits, lower limit x equal to a, upper limit x equal to b, that is a to b. And the strip, this strip y is running along x-axis. This strip is running along x-axis. That's why we are integrating function x with respect to x. Integrate and substitute the limit. We will get required area. Consider any curve x is equal to gy. This is the shape of the curve. This area is bounded by two lines, y is equal to c and y is equal to d. Here the strip is running along y-axis. Here is lower limit y is equal to c, upper limit y is equal to d. Therefore strip is running along y-axis. Therefore area of this part can be given by integration c to d gy dy. This is gy and we are integrating with respect to y. See exercise 8.1. Question number 1. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to x and the lines x equal to 1, x equal to 4, x-axis and in the first quadrant. To solve this question, we have to find out, we have to draw first what is the area bounded by the given condition. See, Our curve is y square is equal to x. This is showing a parabola. These are two lines, x-axis and first quadrant. Here, this is y square is equal to x. This is shape of the parabola. Line x equal to 1, line x equal to 4. This is line x equal to 1. This is line x equal to 4. Limits are given along x-axis. Therefore, we have to consider the strip on x-axis, half height y, its width is dx. Then we can calculate area. This is our required area. This is required area in first quadrant. Why this is required area? According to question, find the area find the area in the first quadrant covered by y square is equal to x. This is the graph y square is equal to x. This is line x equal to 1, line x is equal to 4, and x-axis is situated in first quadrant. This is first quadrant. Therefore, this is our required area. This is the important point. We have to first see what is our required area and what are the limits. Now we can integrate. We can find area of the shaded region by integrating y with respect to x, that is limits are 1 to 4. Integrate 1 to 4, y is equal to, here y square is equal to x means y is equal to root x. Root x we are integrating with respect to x. Why we are integrating with respect to x? Because this our strip is running along x-axis. That's why we are integrating with respect to x. You know that root x, its integration is x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. That is denominator 3 by 2 means it is 2 by 3 in numerator. Substitute upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit is 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 lower limit. This is equal to 2 upon 3, 8 minus 1, that is 2 into 7 upon 3 is equal to 14 upon 3 square unit. This is area, therefore we are writing square unit. This is our required answer. Now see question number 2. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 9x, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4, and the x-axis in the first quadrant. Again see, this is y square is equal to 9x, showing a parabola. This is parabola, shape of the parabola. Two lines, x equal to 2, x equal to 4. This is line x equal to 2, this is line x is equal to 4. X-axis, where is x-axis? This is x-axis. And in the first quadrant, here first quadrant means only this part in the first quadrant. This is the area bounded by this curve x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4, x-axis and in first quadrant. Means again we have to integrate with respect to x because our limits are on x-axis. The strip is moving on x-axis. That's why required area is integration 2 to 4y dx. Y means root 9x. That is root 9 means it is 3. Here then root x, its integration is 2 upon 3. X is to 3 by 2. Substitute limit, upper limit then lower limit. Upper limit 3 में, that is 3 divided by 3 is 1. 2. Substitute upper limit 4 raised to 3 by 2. That is here lower limit is 2 raised to 3 by 2. 4 raised to 3 by 2, that is 8, and this is minus 2 root 2 square units. This is our required answer. Refer question number 3. To solve all these questions, first of all, draw the graph, find the required area, and find the limits. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and y axis and in first quadrant. Now see, here this is x square is equal to 4y. This is parabola, means this is the graph of upper parabola. This is equation of upper parabola. Y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, here y is equal to 4. If you want to draw this graph, you can substitute here x is equal to 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. You can substitute x equal to 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Corresponding y you will get. After that you can draw this graph. See, this is our required area. This is, here it is in the first quadrant. This area is covered by, here x square is equal to 4y graph, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and here y axis, means this is our required area. You can see that limits are given, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, that is limits are showing y axis, means our strip will run along y axis. Strip will run along y axis. Then our required area is integrate 2 to 4 x dy, that is 2 to 4 under root 4y. From where we are getting under root 4y? X square is equal to 4y, means x is equal to root 4y. Here root 4y, that is 2 integration 2 to 4 root y. Integration of root y is y raised to 3 upon 2 into 2 upon 3. Limits are 2 to 4, that is 4 upon 3 upper limit minus lower limit. Substitute value of upper limit in place of y and lower limit in place of y. Then we are getting, this is our required answer in square unit here. See next question, question number 4. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square upon 16 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. See, this is the equation of ellipse. All of you know what is the shape of the ellipse. In this case, we know its standard format is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Change this equation of ellipse in standard form. We can write like this: x square upon 16 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. That implies to x square upon 4 square plus y square upon 3 square is equal to 1. Here, when we will compare by this standard formula, we can write here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. In this case, our ellipse, its major axis is along x-axis. A is greater than b. Here a is greater than b, that is major axis is along x-axis and minor axis is along y-axis. Vertices are 4, 0, that is a0 and minus a0, and along major axis, that is 0b and 0 minus b. See its figure. This is the graph, this is the ellipse. That axis what axes are? This is the major axis, and you know that this is minor axis. Its vertex is a0 and minus a0, that is plus minus a0. This is plus minus 0b, that is 0 3 and 0 minus 3. See, we want to calculate area of this whole ellipse. You can see that this ellipse is divided into 4 parts: 1 2 3 4. These 4, each part is equal to one another. Means if you are able to calculate this area of the first quadrant, when we will multiply it by the 4, we will get the area of whole ellipse. To calculate this area, limits here is x is equal to 0 and here is x is equal to 4. We are taking limits along x-axis. Therefore, we will integrate the graph, that is y, with respect to x. Means you can see here, this is the given equation of ellipse. We can write y square upon 9 is equal to 1 minus a square upon 16. After LCM this, then we are getting y is equal to 3 upon 4 root 16 minus x square. This y is function of this x. Our required area is 4 times of the area of first quadrant. Here 4 into integration 0 to y dx, 0 to 4 y dx, that is 4 into integration 0 to 4. You can see here limits. Limit is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4. X is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4, that is 0 to 4. And we are integrating with respect to x, that is strip is running along x-axis. That's why we are integrating with respect to x. And this is the given function in form of x. This is, now we have to integrate this 4 into 3 upon 4 integration 0 to 4 root 4 square minus x square. We know formula integration root a square minus x square is equal to x upon 2 root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sin inverse x upon a. Using this formula, 3 x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x upon a. Limit 0 to 4. Apply upper limit and lower limit. Substitute upper limit first here, that is 4 upon 2 root 4 square minus 4 square plus 8 sin inverse 4 upon 4. Lower limit is 0. Everywhere it will be 0. 0 multiply this will be 0. Here this term will be also 0. That is, this is 0. Then we are having 8 sin inverse 1. Here is 3 under bracket 0 plus 8 sin inverse 1. 3 into 8 sin inverse 1 means pi by 2. That is 12 pi square units. This is our required answer. Now see question number 6. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, line x equal to root 3y and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. Find area of the region in first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, line x equal to root 3y and the circle this. See our required graph first. This is the area of circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. And here is line x equal to root 3y. This is the line x equal to root 3y. To draw the line, you can put here value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3. With respect to this, we are getting value of y. After that you can draw the line, and x-axis, where is x-axis? This is x-axis, means we have to find the area, this one. This is our required area. This area is covered by the circle, the line, x-axis, and in the first quadrant. This is in the first quadrant. Here you can see, here when we are solving, we are getting that its center will be 0 0. According to this one, here center of this circle is 0 0, means when we will solve the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 and line x equal to root 3y, we are getting, here is 0 0 and this point A is root 3 0, this will be 2 0. We are getting two intersection points, as here A dash represents x equal to root 3y passing through, that is root 3y is equal to x, means y is equal to 1 upon root 3x. We know that m is equal to tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3, means theta is equal to 30 degree. 30 degree means pi by 6. By using here this one formula, and x square plus y square is equal to 4, and this is the equation of line. We have to solve these two equations. By solving these two equations, we can put here x square plus, in place of y, 1 upon root 3x here. Then we are getting this equation. After LCM, 4 square upon 3 is equal to 4, x square is equal to 3. Then x is equal to plus minus root 3. We are getting here x is equal to plus minus root 3. You can see in this figure, this is root 3 0. This is 0 0 origin, and by solving the two equations, that is first circle and line, we are getting here in this one is intersection point, that is root 3 0, and this is 2 0. Then we are having two limits. First limit is x equal to 0 to x equal to root 3. Second limit is root 3 to 2. That the strip is running along x-axis, because we are having limits on x-axis, means we are having two areas. This is the first area, this is second area. First limit is 0 to root 3, second limit is root 3 to 2. Then our required area is here, that is 0 to root 3 y dx plus root 3 to 2 y dx. Substitute value of y, x upon root 3 plus 2 upon root 3, this is root 4 minus x square. You can see here, this part x upon root 3, that is 0 to root 3, first part is covered by this line and second part is covered with the circle. That's why we are taking equation of circle in function x. Its integration is, all of you know how to integrate. 1 upon root 3 is constant. Integration x means x square by 2, that is 1 upon 2, and this is, we have limit 0 to root 3. And in case of root, this is its integration is, this is in the form of root a square minus x square, that is x by 2, means x upon a, root 4 minus x square, that is, we have to use formula. Its integration is x by 2 root a square minus x square, that is a square means 4 means 2 square, plus this is 4 by 2 a square by 2 sin inverse x upon 2. Limit is root 3 to 2. Substitute the limit and do calculation. That is 1 upon 2 root 3, root 3 square minus 0. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. That is, after calculation we are getting this step, sin inverse root 3 by 2. Sin inverse 1 means pi by 2. Sin inverse root 3 by 2 means pi by 3. After calculation we are getting here, this is pi by 3 square units. Refer question number 10. Find the area bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. X square is equal to 4y. You know that this is again a parabola, that is upper parabola, and this is line. If you want to draw the graph, you can substitute here value of x is, or you can substitute value of y also. That is, y you can substitute 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, or you can take value of x, then substitute, then we can find y. Anyway, you know that x square is equal to 4y. It's a graph x square is equal to 4y. This is the graph of x square is equal to 4y. This is upper parabola. And line x is equal to 4y minus 2. First of all, find the intersection. That's why we are taking here x square is equal to 4y means x upon 4, x square upon 4 is equal to y. Solving this equation and this equation, we are getting here x is equal to 4. Substitute value of y here. We are getting x square is equal to x plus 2. That is x square minus 2. Then we are getting these two factors by splitting middle term. X is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. When we are solving this line and this curve, we are getting here two values of x. Substitute x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2 anywhere. You can put here on this line or on this graph. We are getting two values of y. That is, when x equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1 upon 4. X equal to 2, then y is equal to 1. Means we are getting two intersection points, first and second. These are two intersection points. Now see table for x equal to 4y minus 2. We have to, you know that this is a equation of line. To find the line, put any value of x. I have x is equal to 0 and x equal to minus 2. Then corresponding we are getting value of y. See, this is equation of line. This is equation of parabola. This is. We have two intersection points. This is first intersection point. This is second one. Already we have calculated. This is minus 1 and 1 upon 4. This is 2, 1. Here you can see that this is our required area. This is our required area. How can we calculate the area? If we are able to calculate area of this triangle, this one triangle, minus area of this part and this one part, then this will be our required area. First see, this area of triangle is covered by the line x-axis and x equal to minus 1 to x equal to 2. These are the limits. means our limits are along x-axis, that is integration minus 1 to 2 x plus 2 upon 4. Here this is equation of line. We can write here from this equation x plus 2 upon 4, here this one. Now we have to subtract which area? This area and this area. Again limits are minus 1 to 2, minus 1 to 2, but these two areas are covered by which one? By this graph. See carefully, this graph and x-axis with x equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. Therefore minus 1 to 2 equation of graph, that is x square by 4. Now integrate, its integration is x square by 2 and 2 means 2x. Lower limit, upper limit. Minus 1 upon 4 is constant. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. Now substitute limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. Here also substitute upper and lower. Rest of the calculation you know it. These are all calculation part. Finally we are getting this is 9 upon 8 square unit. See next question. Find the area under the curve y is equal to root a square minus x square included between the line x equal to 0 and x equal to a. We can write this is y square is equal to a square minus x square, or we can say that y square plus x square is equal to a square, or we can say that x square plus y square is equal to a square. This is the shape of circle. This represents to a circle with origin 0, 0. Here x equal to 0 and x equal to a. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. This is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. X is equal to a line. Means this is our required area. That is integration 0 to a. This is 0. What I say is a. And equation of this in form of the x, that is strip is running along x-axis. The strip is running along x-axis means we are integrating with respect to x because we have selected limits along x-axis, root a square minus x square. You know its a formula is here. This is the formula. Substitute limits, upper limit minus lower limit. Then after substitution we are getting pi a square upon 4. This is